See right there? The crack running down about, but what I want to do, I'm just gonna clean the edge up. And I'm gonna get the rust out of it. See, I should be able to tap it, it should. Nah, we're gonna go have to go all the way through. I'm afraid if I tap it, see, I'm gonna crack it. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but see, that is exactly what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that right there. A smooth edge around. And they'll keep, you know, that little crack right here, it'll make it actually stronger because hey, it ain't nothing, you know, it's gonna be easy. We ain't gonna press our luck here. Nope. We ain't gonna do that. There we go. That's exactly what we're looking for. That's exactly what we're looking for. We ain't gonna press our luck. Clean all of it up. D-Wall. That's the only brand I try to buy, D-Wall. Love them. You know, I think I got it though. I really think I got it. And, you know, just get ready for the first time I cook in it. It's coming. You know what to do. Hey, subscribe, like, thumbs down, wherever, leave a comment, whatever you do. You know, do it. Tell me how I can get better, because that's, hey, this is a journey. It's a marathon, you know. So I'm gonna end the video right there. Hey, thank you for riding with me. You know what to do. If you like it, you don't like it, still you know what to do. Peace.